All right, September 8th, 2024. It's not mounted yet, but I picked up a fan shroud, an upper fan shroud for, I'll get you in here. Picked up the upper fan shroud for this. I should be able to still bolt it in. I think I still have hardware somewhere, you know, after months of prep work and slowly, you know, working at it. I guess it should be somewhere, right? It has to be somewhere. Headlights are wrong. A lot of new headlights. Hopefully they work. These apparently are for a 1994 to 99, I want to say. Maybe 2000. No, I think it's 99. This is a 90. So, didn't work. Hopefully we can get those going and they'll fit, and hopefully I can get the grill on, at least get most of it on, because I still don't have all the mounting hardware, but I'm okay getting most of it on and then mounting the rest of it once I order hardware for it. So yeah, we'll just kind of float that way right now. We'll get the fan shroud on first, I think. I do actually need to order a rubber piece. Yeah, I gotta order a little rubber isolator that sits on the edge of your radiator, and fan shroud kind of mounts it down. That's on now. Don't have to worry about the hose getting in the way, and holy crap, probably need a new upper radiator hose. Oh well. Replace it when it blows up. Alright, so let's go with getting new headlights in, and hopefully the grill. That would be great. That would make me happy. I don't know what I'm going to do with these headlights. It's been too long, can't return them. So. I don't know. We'll find some. We'll do something with them. You know, maybe turn them into shelves. I don't know. These are nice. This headlight assemblies came with bulbs. When?
I don't feel like that should be standard.
You know, it's what happens when you buy cheap, though. Exactly. That's about okay. Here we go. Oh, those are just protective things. Okay, cool. Yes, that's what that was. I'm gonna go with that's what that was, and I don't need them. Do you know how to take those connectors off?
I have to guess.
So you just lift up on the tabs and use your other hand to support the connector. You can kind of tug on the wires. Shouldn't take too much force though, because you don't want to pull those wires out, because I don't want to have to re-terminal those, or probably go buy new pigtails, and I don't want to do that.
That doesn't sound like fun.
Nope. I mean, it's easy, but I don't want to do more work. Then you want to put on the other headlight? It's in the box.
The one that's already open?
Yep. And you take those black caps off those. You know what I really like about Stanley tools? It rotates by the handle. Dad had this thing has had it for years. A favorite ratchet out of his whole set.
Josh, will you pop this off? The string's stuck in there again.
No, you need a new one.
Oh, it's out, gone. How does it go away like that so fast?
Because it's cheap.
I mean, you're weed eating, but I mean, you don't see the weed. Oh, you don't see the weeds on the floor.
Well, Mom just destroyed the last
Just
bit
knocked
of your
over coffee.
Oh,
Just a little.
I was gonna get another one on the way home anyway.
Oh yeah, I gotta replace that turn signal multi-switch thing. Oh, I guess now technically it would just be putting the grill on.
Yeah.
All right, let's play ball. Yep. And then the bottom's gonna sink in first. Okay, I'm down and in. Where are you at? Just right there. Oh man, that was so much easier. Just gonna clean these up a little bit more. Had these soaking in that bucket for a bit. Wipe them down, blow them out with some air, and go from there. So there's the grill. After a few weeks, a lot of hours, we got the grill in with
Looks good.
lights. Not all from work, but hey, we have some lightage. Right, that's still a thing.
Yeah.
That one's out.
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't get that connected?
I didn't?
Oh, this has been a fun fish.
Do you want me to stick my hand in there?
That's weird. Plugged in the high beam on that side. The lights working?
Not anymore.
Well, I mean,
Now they are. The outside ones.
Okay, good. Yeah, that's the multi-function switch is messed up.
Multi-functioning all at once.
So tomorrow we'll come back and do that. Today, what we're gonna do now. First things first, I'm grabbing some spray lubricant. Whatever. All right, we'll live with it. All right, here we go. So. Man, I still got one hell of a gap over here. Oh yeah. That's that is actually true. I wonder what that is. It's the hood adjustment when we put the new hood on. So I gotta get, I need the hood to go that way altogether. That's real close. Mm-hmm. I think that's as close as I'm gonna get.
I think so.
Finally got it. So this is the gap I was trying to fight. Earlier this was probably where maybe about like right there. That's where the gap was. And then we have this weird lip here, like the hood's sunk down more. I'll have to figure out how to fix that. And over here, I think that's part of the grille getting in the way because I don't have that mounted down all the way, and I need to adjust that little hood screw adjustment thing. And tomorrow, yep, we're gonna crack into the steering column, probably bust apart every single piece of plastic that's in there, and replace the what's the switch called? The thing that does your wipers. So that one, multi-function switch. We're gonna switch out that thing because I'm hoping that's the reason why the washer motor is turning on when you turn on the headlights. So that's because that's weird. Yeah. Well, we'll call it for the night. I'm gonna clean up and eat some food, go home. Now, well, I'll see you around. Till next time. Bye.